Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to launch a website, start a blog, or host your business online without spending a fortune, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing some exclusive Hostinger coupon codes that can save you up to 75% off on hosting plans. Make sure you watch until the end because these codes will help you grab the lowest prices possible for your hosting. Now, for those who don't know, Hostinger is one of the most affordable and reliable web hosting providers out there. They're known for their fast servers, beginner-friendly dashboard, 24/7 support, and extras like free SSL, free domain, and one-click WordPress installs. Whether you're starting small or building something big, Hostinger has you covered. And here's the fun part, the discount codes you can try. Host75 save up to 75% off on web hosting plans. HSTR60 off, flat 60% off on cloud hosting. Domain 20H, extra 20% off on domain registration. Bundle 65, save 65% when you bundle hosting plus email. Host 10 extra, grab an additional 10% off on any plan. Here's a quick insider tip. If one code doesn't work, don't worry. Hostinger often rotates discounts during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or seasonal promotions. So always try another one before checking out. Now, how do you make sure you always get the best Hostinger deal? Head over to Hostinger's official website. They update their deals page regularly. Watch out for longer subscription plans. The 24 or 48-month plans usually give the biggest savings. Stack codes with seasonal offers for maximum discounts. And if you're brand new, take advantage of their 30-day money-back guarantee so you're risk-free. So, before you buy hosting anywhere else, make sure you try one of these codes. Why pay full price when you can launch your website today at a fraction of the cost? All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If this helped you save money, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest coupon codes and deals. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of website you're starting. I'd love to know, and I might even share more exclusive Hostinger deals with you. Thanks for watching, happy saving, and I'll see you in the next one.